I've been looking for you for 8 months. Whenever I should have had a gun in my right hand, I thought of you. Now I find you in exactly the position that suits me. I had lots of time to learn how to shoot with my left.
When you have to shoot, shoot, don't talk.
Hello, how are you? It's good to see you again. It's always a pleasure. I went to do a video last night, and just one in the kitchen on some shit that I got, and I forgot to hit record. And I didn't, I hit record, but I forgot to do the little sound thingy. Right, Cream? That cream of the crop. Scab sent me a package. Fucking A, dude. Thank you. What's in it? I have no idea. I have no idea, but we're going to find out. So anyhow, first thing, oh, you know what? I ran into a little glitch with Pay It Forward. Some people, parties of the recipient, or even just the party of themselves, the recipient themselves may not like it. You know, they may, you know, for various reasons. And that's understandable. You know, and a lot of people, I find, they may misinterpret the intent. My intent has always been, I don't want anything from you, except, well, pay it forward. That's what I explained. You know, when you are able, if you are able, whenever. If not, then, hey, it happens. But if you are, and you run into that opportunity to pay it forward, then pay it forward. If not, wait. You'll get that opportunity, trust me. It may just be a little thing, you know, somebody, you know, needs change for their toll booth, or, you know, it doesn't have to be some huge extravagant amount. But I found that it may impact other people's lives in a manner that I don't intend to have an impact. Like, I'm uneasy with that gesture. For various reasons, it doesn't matter. I never really took that into consideration. So, you know, this has been a learning process for me. And will I continue it? Yeah, but I will probably put some thought into it more, like how and why and who and whatever's, you know, I'll probably put some more thought into it. On that note, I know I get in slumps, but boy, this one's been like a fucking slump. You like my little, whatever this thing is? This thing? I found it in the garbage. Most of the shit I found in the garbage. Anyway, so let's move this camera. Let's see what Scab sent, and I'll take a look at the JJ Hakisaki care package, which he also gave me along with it. He also gave me some scotch, 2 bottles of scotch, a Balvenie and a Glenmorangie or whatever. I think it is. Nothing like giving scotch and bullets, boy. Here, Ken, drink up. Have fun. Here's some bullets. Fucking hey, dude. You know, really, I'm procrastinating. He said I don't want to get the fuck up. But you got to get up eventually. I mean, yeah, I could stay here forever, but then I'd have to pee. Then I'd have to poop, and then I'd have to eat, and they would find me, with wet, pants. You know, women wear pants, men wear trousers. And they'd find me with, I'm trying some other shit. It's a beard growth, and it seems to be working. It's thicker. But anyway, I gotta go. Hold that fucking thought. Alright, JJ Hakisaki, he brought over 2 boxes of defense loads. One's a 357 Magnum Critical Defense, 125 grain. Cool, I got some of these, but I don't know which ones I got. See? See? Looks like I lost a bullet. Ain't no telling. And the other one is the Hornady Lever Revolution. And they're like 140 something grain for like lever actions on down to bullets. Whatever, the pistols. Anyway. And that will go with my Om. Anyhow. So let's see what Scab brought. Let's see, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I can use the brachial. I can use the Stitch Auto. Or I can use the brachial fixed blade. Huh. I don't know. We'll pick one. Let's use the Stitch Auto. Look at me trying to close a fixed blade knife with a button. Alright, Scab. And this was just out of the blue, he says, hey, what's your address? I said, blah, 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 blah. And he said, blah, 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 blah. I said, yeah, blah, 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 blah. And he says, all right, I want to send you something. I said, blah, blah, blah. So let's see what he got. Oh, cool. Oh, my. Oh, a fucking goodie bag, man. Fucking A. I got a goodie bag. Let's unopen the goodie bag. Let's open up. Unopen. Open. Let's open the goodie bag. Work tough gear, but I'm not quite sure what this is. It looks like it may glow in the fucking dark. Oh, you know what? It could be a key thingy, so your keys glow in the dark. Here I got a fucking Velcro Work Tough Gear patch. I can always use these. Work Tough Gear, the cloths. Yeah, I mean, you can always use those. They're good for everything. Try to do this without cutting it. Yeah. I mean, good for cleaning. You know, let's say you hand somebody your Colt Python. And you want to wipe off their fingerprints. Yeah, buddy, look at that bit shine. Or you just want to clean your knife off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. What I use Mother's Mag. I put on there, I let it harden, and then I clean it. When I do clean it. But that's pretty fucking neat. I like that. Scabber. Thank you. Oh, I got a sticker. Work Tough Gear Adventure Team. Work Tough Gear. Fucking A, dude. I'll have to find a place to stick that. Okay. These I can always use. They're like, I got one on my, for instance, I just happen to have one on my Bassinelli, chopper. And you just screw it on there, and I got it looped sideways, you know, and it screws in there, and that's how that works. And these are very, very, very fucking handy, and I will use that. I don't know for what I could use it on this. Well, that's fucking heavy, dude. It's a neck knife. I'm not much on neck knives, but it can go anywhere. I'm afraid to. Okay, is there a trick without cutting myself? Okay. Ooh. Well, I just had it had some, and it still does. Has some saran wrap like paper. Well, that's a wicked motherfucker, boy. That's a damn wicked motherfucker, boy. That'll be good, like, you know, I don't know for what, boy. Could wrap some paracord through there, make a little handle. But damn, man. Yeah, it indeed needs a handle of some sort, because I'm afraid my hand's going to slip off of there and I'm going to end up getting fucked. So I'll have to work on making a fucking handle for that. I got paracord inside. Actually, I got some blue paracord. I can make a spiffy little fucking handle, but I like the shape. I like the feel. Yes, it's a wicked little motherfucker, boy. Did I say that already? Work Tough Gear. Oh, grind is, grind is very nice. Double-edged. And I like it that they made it double-edged, not one side's just flat and a chisel grind like Cold Steel does. You know, it's like they fucking skimp. You know? Oh, we'll make one side flat and we'll make the other side tapered. Looks like, you know, yeah, I don't like it. So anyway, that's very fucking... And you know what? You can make a little spear out of this too, man. Huh. Scabber. Oh, look. Oh, here's the fucking paracord. I'm so stupid. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Little project. I'll keep you up on that. I'll keep you abreast. Which breast you want? Left breast or right breast? Alright, cool. Work Tough Gear. With little gadgets and stuff that I can use. Stuff that I can make a project with. Because I need a project. Because I get so bored sometimes. I don't have a fucking project. You know? One can only... Yeah. Alright, look. I'm going... I don't know. I'm going to go do something. I'm gonna go play with my bullets. And here's some critical defense in there. You can tell by, you can see the red. Red's pretty fucking cool in the cylinder. Yeah. So anyway. So today I'm carrying my Springfield 1911. Oh, I'm torn. I love them both. But, you know, I love them both. All right, look. Oh, and here's my other ones I carry. There's my other whatchamacallits. Hornady's critical defense. And here's some 38s. I love the critical or civil defense, but they didn't have them in 357 Magnum when I bought my piece. I bought my Roscoe. So I would like to find some in 357 Magnum, which I will one day. Don't you miss that? I gotta go now, people. I'm terribly fucking busy. I got so much things to do, I don't know how to contain myself. We'll see you. Thanks for joining me. It's always a fucking pleasure.